Welcome to Sajal Technical Classes. Today's topic is DC Generators MCQ Set 1. First question: Fleming's left hand rule is applicable to option A DC generator, option B DC motor, option C alternator, and option D transformer. Right answer option B DC motor. Question number 2. The resistance of armature winding depends on option A length of conductor, option B cross sectional area of the conductor, option C number of conductors, and option D all of the above. Right answer option D all of the above. Next question: a shunt generator develops stable output voltage if option A magnetization characteristic is linear, option B magnetization characteristic is non-linear, option C the field winding resistance is more than the critical resistance, and option D the residual magnetism is equal to 0. Correct answer is option B magnetization characteristic is non-linear. Next question: the purpose of providing dummy coils in DC machine's armature is to option A reduce eddy currents, option B increase voltage induced, option C decrease armature resistance, and option D provide mechanical balance for the motor. Right answer option D provide mechanical balance for the motor. Question number 5. How many parallel paths are there in a 6-pole simplex lap on DC machine? Option A 6, option B 2, option C 12, and option D 3. Right answer option A 6. Question number 6. A DC generator can be considered as a option A power pump, option B rotating amplifier, option C rectifier, and option D prime mover. Option B is the right answer, rotating amplifier. Question number 7. Which of the following generators are used in arc welding? Option A shunt generator, option B series generators, option C cumulative compound generators, and option D differential compound generators. Right answer option D differential compound generators. Question number 8. The EMF generated in a DC generator is option A statically induced EMF, option B dynamically induced EMF, option C electrostatically induced EMF, and option D magnetically induced EMF. Right answer option B dynamically induced EMF. Question number 9. The generator efficiency of a shunt generator will be maximum when its variable loss is equal to option A constant loss, option B stray loss, option C iron loss, and option D friction and windage loss. Correct answer option A constant loss. Last question. The frame of a DC generator is made of option A bronze, option B aluminium, option C cast iron, and option D copper. Right answer option C cast iron.